Hi everyone, and especially to you that's watching this video. Okay, so last I've got a beautiful, nice, clean room to work in. Everything is organized in place. All my little stuffs are in these little drawers. All the trinkets I'm gonna use. It's in those drawers. I stocked up on my glue because I needed some glue. And I even got myself a longer ruler that's 1 meter long. And what else? Oh yeah, would you believe it? I found pink, but I'm not a pink person, but the color fits in my room. So yeah, I even found pink paint brushes. I don't know if I will use them, but yeah, when I saw that, it was odd to find pink paint brushes. So yeah, and then there was something I didn't like. I didn't like the newspaper that was here in the back, so I changed that with wallpaper as well, and I even the side on the sides here of this box I covered with wallpaper and this box here I covered with wallpaper because I didn't like anything here was nice, and then this box and newspaper was here, so I didn't like it, and I just put some trinkets I had standing around everywhere, put it on, and yeah, even the dogs are back in the room because there's little Chloe and little Kush, little Miss Inspector. She's already inspecting what is this on the carpet. I will show you now, and then of course Zanilet's on a place. So yeah, even the animals are back in the room. So yeah, well, like I said, I had to go and buy some glue, but yeah, it didn't stop there. I saw so much other nice little stuffs that I can use. For instance, I found this sample carpet or upholstery material or something, books as well. And I actually bought this one for the purple because I don't have much purple for the teenagers' room. And then, yeah, I saw, well, this beautiful. I'm actually thinking of changing the parents' bedroom carpet now because I've got this beautiful. Maybe I can use this for the small carpets, the little piece here, because this all is just too small. And then, look, this beautiful one here. I can maybe use for the parents' bedroom. And I've got even, this is all this beautiful colors here that I can use in the other home as well, and well in this home, and change maybe somewhere even in the living room carpet. Look, this color, even this would look nice like in the bathroom, maybe for a bathroom carpet in the parents' bedroom, and even this one with the gray in it. Yeah, so I've got so much decisions to make now, but I'm thinking of changing that. And then I found even this is like is for your hair elastic bands, and this was just tied on this band with a knot. And yeah, now I've got this nice little piece of material. I can make something for maybe the daughter or the mother. Even it's the same like this one. It's just a scrunchy thing that's and this piece of material is tied in a knot around. And yeah, it's just a beautiful material for a dress. So yeah, I thought to myself, okay, I'm going to try that for them. And then I've got all this. Yeah, I know it's all stuff for hair, but this can be a curtain binder maybe for the daughter's room. And then this is, yeah, all nice. And look at this. This is so nice. I can use this in the living room for well, an ornament or something. And yeah, so, and there's even a color that I can use in the parents' bedroom. Maybe this I can use maybe in a baby's bedroom, the pink. Okay, there's a blue one for maybe the other house. There's like purple for the daughter's bedroom, and there's another pink, and this one is white with, I think, strawberries or something on it. I can maybe use in the baby's bedrooms. And future home, I thought of the yellow, also has curtain binders, maybe purple, yeah. And then this little, it's also stuff you can put in your hair, but that can make a beautiful vase. This one for a plant or something. if you use one of that. Anything like even like bottle or your but it would be nice with like a hand soap for by the basin in the bathroom. Yeah, even work for that. And this got this beautiful orangey color in it with the light color, and I thought of using this as for plants in the parents' bedroom. So yeah, I went and bought a few stuff as well. So yeah, next up is the baby room that I'm going to start with. And yeah, so just stay tuned, and that's the next one. I can't, so I'm gonna dirty my whole room again. But now at least I've got more space here. Everything is in place. There's nothing standing around. And as you can see, I took away this table here by the mirror. So there's more space here by the door now. And I changed around in one of the other rooms, the tables, and I put the other one in the cupboard for, well, more like a shelf, an extra shelf in the cupboard. And then I put the other table that was standing there back in the my guest bedroom. And yeah, so that's, oh, and there's but that plastic bag is always hanging there for all the stuff to throw away when I'm busy here, working here. So I am quite happy with how everything turned out. So yeah, so be on the lookout for the next video with, I'm going to do the carpet changing thing in the parents' bedroom, and then the baby room. I'm going to do that, the whole room. So yeah, keep on watching. Bye.